Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance, a topic that can feel overwhelming at times. But fear not, because I'm here to introduce you to a secret weapon in your money-saving arsenal, the Snoop app. The problem: money mysteries. Have you ever felt like your money disappears into a black hole? You work hard, but somehow, your bank account always seems empty. You might suspect hidden fees, sneaky subscriptions, or just plain bad spending habits. The truth is, managing your finances can be a puzzle. You need to track your income, expenses, identify unnecessary spending, and maybe even find ways to cut back on bills. It's enough to make anyone throw their hands up in frustration. Enter Snoop, your financial bloodhound. Cut to a playful cartoon bloodhound sniffing for money. That's where Snoop comes in. This innovative app acts like your own personal financial bloodhound, sniffing out ways to save you money and keep your finances on track. Snoop's superpowers: saving you cash. But how exactly does Snoop help you become a money-saving master? Let's break down some of its key features. Unmasking the money monster, Snoop connects securely to your bank accounts, giving you a complete picture of your income and spending. No more wondering where your money goes. Snoop categorizes everything for you, making it easy to identify areas where you might be overspending. Budgeting like a boss: tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Snoop helps you create a personalized budget based on your income and spending habits. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket, constantly reminding you of your goals and keeping you on track. Subscription Slayer: we've all been there, forgotten subscriptions draining our accounts. Snoop can identify unused subscriptions and help you cancel them with a few clicks. No more paying for services you don't even use. Bill Buster: do you feel like you're constantly overpaying for bills? Snoop keeps an eye on your recurring payments and alerts you when there are better deals available. You might be surprised at how much you can save by switching providers for things like internet or phone service. Voucher Vixen: love a good bargain? Snoop helps you find vouchers and discounts for your favorite stores, restaurants, and online retailers. Now you can stretch your budget further and treat yourself without guilt. Price Hike Patrol: sneaky price increases can wreak havoc on your finances. Snoop acts as your price hike patrol, alerting you when your regular purchases suddenly cost more. Now you can make informed decisions and avoid getting ripped off. The benefits beyond savings. Saving money is fantastic, but Snoop offers more than just financial benefits. It empowers you to take control of your finances. Here's how. Peace of mind: knowing exactly where your money goes and having a plan for the future gives you peace of mind. You'll sleep better at night knowing you're on top of your finances. Financial confidence: Snoop helps you build financial confidence. By understanding your spending habits and setting achievable goals, you'll feel empowered to make smart financial decisions. Getting started with Snoop. Ready to unleash Snoop's money-saving magic? Downloading the app is easy and secure. Once you connect your accounts, Snoop will start analyzing your financial data and providing personalized insights. Is Snoop right for you? Snoop offers a free version with core features like budgeting and expense tracking. However, there's also a premium version with additional functionalities like exclusive deals and advanced switching tools. Consider your financial goals and decide which option best suits your needs. Final thoughts: snoop out your savings potential. Snoop isn't a magic wand, but it's a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals. Whether you're looking to save for a dream vacation, pay off debt, or simply get a better handle on your finances, Snoop can be your partner in financial success. Call to action. So, are you ready to become a money-saving master? Download Snoop today and start saving. In the comments below, let me know your experiences with budgeting apps and any questions you might have. Remember, taking control of your finances is empowering, and Snoop is here to help you every step of the way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.